Welcome to my bathroom cabinet. I thought I would make a video showing you exactly what's in there at the moment. It does change pretty much weekly because we get sent a lot of products at Beauty Kate, so I like to try lots of different things, but then there are some old faithfuls in there as well that I just can't part with. So I'll go shelf by shelf. The bottom shelf is the toothbrush and the cleansing shelf, and you know, little things like mouthwash and Aesop deodorant. And then Bioderma, this was a limited edition pump pack micellar, which is so good. So I just got my little cleansing pads there and I pump. The Lele Chanel cleansing milk to oil is really beautiful. This is their new low tan, so it's a spray tanner. So I just kind of do my decolletage and face, and it says body mist, but I think it's too small to use over your body, so I just use it on my neck and shoulders and things for a little bit of glow. We've got the kids, oh my god, the Braun Oral-B toothbrush is the best. I've had them all my life. This is the latest one. It's got a sensor. If you brush too hard, it tells you, and there's also an app and stuff which I don't use, but the kids even have their own little versions of it. I think it's such a good, like when you upgrade to an electric toothbrush, I think it makes the world of difference, and a lot of people don't know until they try. But anyway, cleansers, still more cleansers. I've got the Dior Micellar here, which is also a handy pump. You'll see that I'm obsessed with pumps. I have a weird obsession that unless something's in a pump, I mean, I will, you know, for really good skincare, I'll use it, but I just find with body products and, you know, body creams and cleansers, you just want it to be fast. And same within my shower, it's all about speed. L'Occitane cleansing water, Rationale cleanser, which is part of the 6th step that I use. I always go back to this. It's so good. My skin always, I get compliments on my skin when I use it. So while I do stray and try other brands, I do love Rationale. But I also love some of these other brands. So Ultraceuticals is another amazing cosmeceutical. I actually share these products with Damien, so this is his little section of the cupboard. He's got Hunter and some cosmetics cleanser and ultraceuticals and things. So I dip into them when I feel like going down that path. Then I have Synergy. Synergy Skin is an amazing Australian cosmeceutical again. Subtle Energies is the most beautiful facial oil ever. It just has the most incredible jasmine scent. I have one by my bed as well that I put on at night. Dermalogica, I've got some products there for when my skin's really sensitized. Alpha H, this is an amazing moisturizer. Again, look at this for a pump pack. You press it down on the top, love that. A bit of an ode to La Prairie here. I love this, again, amazing. Pump pack, press down on it. This is the White Caviar Cream Extraordinaire. It's so indulgent. And again, I do love these indulgent sort of French creams like Lancôme. They're just such beautiful products. The fragrances, this is Absolute Rose Precious Cells Mask. Very luxe. And then, so that's kind of skincare. And then we're moving up, yep, we've been through Damien's. This is kind of body and masks over here. I mean, this used to be just 3 shelves, and Damien, who's a bit handy, put in some extra shelves for me, so I think he realised the need because things were falling out on his head when he was opening the cabinet. So we've got extra space now, and these are my masks. So this is the Cora one that I used the other day. It's beautiful, it's turmeric. Vaya, who's my facialist, she's got Vaya Beauty just across the road from us in Darlinghurst, and she's got some beautiful products. The masks that she makes are really beautiful hand-blended masks. Mugu, you guys would know I'm a massive fan of Mugu. I use all their shampoo and conditioner, the scalp cream when I get a little bit of irritated scalp, so it really helps, and the natural deodorant is nice. Magnesium oil, great for when I have sore neck and shoulders or like sore muscles from working out. I just give it a quick spray. And Weleda is beautiful, beautiful natural organic brand. I love the lavender oil just before bed, so having a shower and then rubbing it all over, and it just relaxes. I actually use it on the kids too to relax them and get them off to sleep. These are some of my favourite body moisturisers. Le Labo, Lee 41, I've got Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. Just different ones, different fragrances for different moods. If I'm going out, I'll wear this one. The Le Fleur Diptyque is just heaven for during the day. This is actually probably my all-time favourite, the Aesop Body Balm. That's why it sort of sits there, because it's quick access. Angelique Rose body oil, again, that's a really beautiful one. I use body oils before bed. If I have a shower at night, I'll put them on before bed and they just hydrate. You know, by morning time, you're really beautifully hydrated. Core Organics, again, Noni Glow body oil. Sadashi, stunning Australian brand, and it's just got, they've got this jasmine and rose body lotion, and then I also use their body oils, and they're so natural and beautiful, and the packaging is gorgeous as well, which helps. And the next shelf is again body and a few more skin products that didn't fit on the other shelves. It's all about height. Rodan Oleo Luso, that's probably my second favourite facial oil after the Subtle Energies. Calm Water Gel by Dermalogica, Lotion P50 by Biologique Recherche. I hope I said that right. It's a really good exfoliator. You just swipe it on. Charlotte Tilbury's Overnight Bronze and Glow Mask. This is really fun, you know, way to get a bit of bronze while you sleep. What else is up there? Benzac, benzoyl peroxide for when I get a pimple. It's very important. James Reed Gradual Tanner. So lots of facial self-tanners. I'm seeing a theme here. I like a little bit of glow. So this is another great one. This is a bit like the Chanel, like just mist it on. And it's nice and lightweight, not too heavy. And then more body lotions, body creams, body balms, body oils. Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. I just love that fragrance. It reminds me of summer. U-Spa, Cocoa Butter, that's beautiful. More Sadashi, and behind there I've got my L'Occitane body balms. This is my current favourite. It's melting butter, jasmine, it just smells heaven. We Are Feel Good in Coconut Milk, it's beautiful. And these are all my Subtle Energy blends. So I'm a big fan of Subtle Energies. It's Australian aromatherapy, Ayurvedic aromatherapy. So they have just beautiful Ayurvedic blends, and they're really unique, and they smell like a spa. They're just heavenly. This is my Style Pro brush cleanser. I'll have to do a video on that alone one day because it's quite amazing. It's got like a little brush that just cleanses your brush. You just hold it and it cleanses and dries them in an instant. But if I don't use that, I use my Clinique brush cleanser on the top level. Fenty Beauty, that's a little bit of a sparkle if I'm going out and I want my skin to shimmer. Got all my fake tans at the top and a few hair products. Favourite fake tans, loving the Elle Effect, Elle Ferguson's product. It's really good and it doesn't smell like, you know, typically tropical or coconutty. It's got rose scent, which I like, and it doesn't come off on your clothes as well. Isles Formula, I really like those hair products, and Orbe, they're amazing. The Base by Lara Bingle, I like her tan as well, the Gradual, and of course Saint-Tropez. And what's the other one? Custom Tan and Pure Tan. So lots of tanning up there. And I think that's almost just about it. So I might do another video on my shower because that's a whole other thing. But thank you for coming. Hope you enjoyed.